Hello, my dear students. Hope everyone is doing well at home. In today's math session, we are going to learn how to solve the word problems by constructing the equations for the given situation. So let's start seeing them one by one. Here we have the first question. Harba owns some ship. After selling 34 out of them in a market, he still has 176 ships. How many sheep did Harba have at first? Now see children, in the situation, there is a person named as Harba. And this fellow Harba, he had some ships. Now we don't know how many ships he had. Okay. From that ships, when he sold 34 ships, okay, what did he do? Out of the number of ships he was having, from that he sold out 34 ships. After selling this 34 ships, still he was having 176 ships. Now, what is the question? Initially, how many ships he had there? Already we know, children, when we don't know the exact number, we should assume that with a variable. So what we will be saying? Let the number of ships with Harba at the first be X. Okay? Then what is the given condition? Number of ships with Harba at the first minus. Now why minus? Why? Because we sold out the ships. Minus number of ships sold in the market, it will be equal to the number of ships which were left behind with Harba. Now, how many ships we assumed at first? We assumed it to be X, and 34 ships already has been sold out into the market. And after selling this 34, how many are left? 176. Now children, we want the value of X. Now in order to take out the value of X, here minus 34 is there. So what you will do in order to take out this minus 34, you will add 34 on both sides. So what it will be? 34 minus 34, it will be 0, and 176 plus 34, it will be 210. So what is the value of X? It is 210. So what is the exact number of ships that Harba had? So Harba had 210 ships in the beginning. After that, we have the next word problem as Sakshi prepared some jam at home and she filled it in the bottles. After giving 7 bottles to her friends, she had still 12 bottles left for herself. How many bottles had she made in all? Now see children, we don't know that how many bottles she made it together. So what we will say? Let Sakshi has prepared X bottles. Okay. Then out of that X bottles, she gave 7 bottles to her friends. But after giving 7 bottles, still she had 12 bottles. Okay. Then if she filled 250 grams in each bottle. So what she has done? In each bottle, she has filled 250 gram of jam. Then, what was the total weight of the jam she prepared? Now, it's a bit lengthy sum. Let's start doing. Children, see, as we don't know how many bottles she has prepared, we have assumed it to be X. Then, according to the condition, out of the total number of jam bottles she prepared, out of that, she gave certain number of jam bottles to her friends. Now what is that certain number of jam bottles? It is 7. Out of the X bottle she prepared, 7 she gave to her friends. And after giving this, there were 12 bottles which were left with Sakshi. Now, children, we just want the value of X. So as here it is minus 7, add 7 on both sides. So what it will be? X plus 0 is equals to 12 plus 7 is going to be 19. So how many bottles did Sakshi prepare? Sakshi has prepared 19 bottles of jam. Then in each bottle she has filled 250 gram of jam. Then what will be the total weight of jam she prepared? Now it will be weight of the jam in each bottle multiplied by the number of bottles. Okay, now in each jar we had 250 gram of jam and we prepared 19 bottles. So if you multiply, you will get it as 4750 gram of jam. Now, if we convert it into kg, what you have to do is divide this with 1000. So you will get it as 4.75 kg of jam. Therefore, the total weight of jam which was prepared by Sakshi is 4750 gram or 4.75 kg. After that, here we have a third sum. Archana has bought some kilograms of wheat. She requires 12 kg per month and she got enough wheat which is milled for 3 months. After that, she had 14 kg left. How much wheat did Archana bought altogether? Now let's start solving this. Now, we don't know exactly how many kgs of wheat has Archana bought. So what we will be doing? We will be assuming it to be X. Then, according to the given condition, weight of wheat bought by Archana altogether minus weight of the wheat which she has used in 3 months. Okay, that will give you the amount of wheat which is left with Archana. Now see, we assume that she has bought X kg of wheat. Out of that, 12 kg she has used per month. And this 12 kg per month, she has used it for 3 months, right? So in each month, 12 kg. So in 3 months, it will be 36 kg. So X minus 36 will be equal to 14. Now children, we want the value of X. So as here it is minus 36, add 36 to both sides, plus 36 plus 36. So what it will be? 36 minus 36, it will be 0, and 14 plus 36, it is going to be 50. So what is it? X is equals to 50. Thus, the total amount of wheat which Archana has bought is 50 kg. I hope children, everyone has got today's session very nicely. And if you have loved today's session, don't forget to like, share and subscribe your own YouTube channel, that is Your Rhythm Nexus. And if there is any difficulty or if there is any query, please feel free to drop it into the comment section and surely we will work on it. Thank you.